before and after. Hey, what's up you guys? How's it going? It's your boy ZH Comic Art and I'm with my best friend right here. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
I'm Steve.
Yeah, that's Steve.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's your boy SY Comic Art.
SY Comic Art.
Coming to you with another video.
And today we're gonna be doing a drawing challenge, the Noob versus Pro drawing challenge.
Thought you were a pro, not a noob.
I have my sketchbook over here, and he's gonna draw something first, and I will redraw it in my style. I'll try to fix some things.
You can't fix what's great already.
We'll see about that. So make sure you watch till the end because we're gonna compare the two drawings, and you guys can tell us which one you think looks cool. Also, he's gonna be appearing in a lot more videos. We're gonna have more art challenges up, and there's also gonna be a couple of vlogs up for you guys where he's gonna be in it as well, right? The intro and outro for that literally took more than 10 minutes to film. It was pretty funny. It took so many tries. I will show you guys in a video maybe tomorrow. So watch out for that. What is this?
Go away.
Dude, draw like an actual superhero. No, dude, draw something that I can make something decent out of.
This is gonna be excellent. You wait. This is a human. It's half human, half elephant. See, he has human arms. You draw arms well, right?
Sure.
Dude, I don't know how to draw hands. I don't know how to draw eyes.
You need to try drawing normal eyes.
I don't know how to draw them.
Dude, what if you had an elephant with like human eyes?
Fine, I'll do that.
No, dude, that's so creepy. Dude, if I redrew it though, I would give the elephant a small head.
Okay.
That was even worse.
Something looks soft. Maybe you need some hair.
Don't do it, dude. No. Don't. Dude, even I'm not gonna be able to fix that. It looks like stupid. Dude, why is this left arm so much thicker than the right?
It's not. Oh, whatever, you fix it.
It's twice as thick. Okay, so there's Steve's drawing. Let's see if we can redraw it now.
before and after.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. It was pretty fun drawing with him. So what do you think about the challenge?
Good.
That's all you had to say.
It was educational and informative.
So let me know down in the comments right now if you want to see more videos like this. This video shout out goes to CTC Firebird. If you want to win a shout out too, all you have to do is join the notification squad. I think Steve's part of the notification squad already. So make sure you join it. You subscribe, turn on post notifications by clicking that little bell and letting me know down in the comments when you're done. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video because I'm posting every single day as usual. We are on the daily grind. Bye.
Good thing I didn't do this.